Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to read Wattpad stories step by step. Let's get started. So first, go to wattpad.com. If you don't have already an account, you need to create one. Then here, click the Start Reading. You can also sign up with Google, Facebook, or email. Then once logged in, you'll be redirected to Wattpad homepage. Then make sure that you are in the reading section. Here you can browse all the stories available on Wattpad in English. Scroll down to explore different genre, recommendations, and community reading lists. You can choose a story to read. When you find a story you like, you can click on it and press Start Reading. Scroll down to read the chapters. You can read as many stories as you like and explore different genre freely. And that's it. You know how to read Wattpad stories in English. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.